thank you for the opportunity to be a part of the Patient Experience Assembly. I found it very informative, and it was great to hear some of the leading organizations in healthcare talk about their journey in terms of developing a patient transformation.
What I like the most about this, which is different than other conferences, is that it's really the highest level of patient experience leaders having the ability to network and learn from each other. Having a workshop and the discussion is a little different than what I've typically gone to, a lot more discussion, which I think is more valuable.
I've been very impressed with Millennium Alliance and the work that they've done in preparing the conference and putting it together, and it's just running like clockwork, which is great.
I've been very impressed with Millennium Alliance. First of all, they're very hospitable. I'm from Texas, and so hospitality is part of who we are, and they've been very hospitable, which has been nice. And this is a first-class event. Just from the very beginning all the way through, I've been very impressed with how they've done. They facilitated well, they've accommodated us well. It's been very nice.
I think if you're going to host a Chief Experience Officer event, you have to provide a good experience. And the experience of working with the Millennial team has been fantastic. From getting picked up at the airport to helping navigate the conference. And I think the thing that I like is the personalization, again, very experiential, the personalization of my interests with the people that are here that might have the products that I need to be successful.
It was a long journey over here, but immediate a sense of peace, just this beautiful environment, and the team has just been so accommodating and welcoming, and the event has been well planned out. So the conversations that we're having are planned but feel natural, and so I think that's evidence of the good planning.
I've really enjoyed it thus far. I think it's a great networking opportunity, and it's a little bit different than conferences that I've been to in the past. It's really nice and intimate, and you get to know the people on a personal level. It's been really smooth. I mean, you guys actually reached out to me, which was rather nice. You know, I didn't have to seek out your services, and just from the scheduling of the event to the travel and accommodations and everything, it's been top notch, and I really appreciated it.
This truly is a lovely conference. The size and scope of the presenters, the environment in which the small individual learnings in the different presentations are fabulous, and there's a great time for discussion, which I think is really helpful. So it's almost like short presentations, but a lot of discussion, so there's a sharing of best practice and ideas. And I think Millennium has done a great job putting the venue together and the vendors and participants as well.
It's really been a really rewarding experience getting to connect and have such intimate conversations with folks that are in all avenues of the business, other caregivers, other hospitals, the vendors, really getting to pick the brains and hear about individual experiences and how they've tackled some of the same problems we're facing. It's one of the best conferences that I've been to in a long time.